This is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the higher camera resolution mode on this device. So without further ado, just tap, launch the camera first, then tap at the aspect ratio option over here and choose the 3 to 4 50 megapixels. So first of all, let me take a test picture in the normal mode and then somewhat the same photo using the high resolution option. And now I'll just go ahead and enter the photo details. So this was the first picture. So let me see the details of it. So you can see its resolution is 3060 by 4080. And if I will open up the details for the high or 50 megapixel photo, you will see that the resolution is significantly increased, but so does the occupied, rather the file size. So to sum it up, basically the higher resolution gets you improved quality, more details, and just a better photo in general, but it comes at the expense of occupying more storage space. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.